Aniyago tongo sini contestants on the results. Ang norno tay bisi degriliya norok kesangka norok jorau kobo kolom khana phiaba tay kisisa jora naisini Sing tabuk our result no naina bagi thangai dong. Sini contestants ro not ready da. Not ready khana ole. Pai phano paya phano. Dini ni result nor ni tali khao. Nor ni history wo. Tinini yagulo sijaka. Norok asik kosto khlai asik sa joraroi nor joro sopeka. Noroni talent by noroni phan by noroni sirumum by noroni rehearse by nor tini oro sopeka. Sini EMs sini MDCs tai sini former EM botong. Borobo joto khakali na sabno narne sabno narya result aba haina nongkhorkha semi finale wo khorok tham taingei norok orok khorok sajona nor sopeka khorok ba tongna jaga wo norni kapal kaham did your result no announce kaisinai but before that Sini Baji ready to talk? Narajoto ready na? Are you ready? Thank you. And the result is Tolani Bukakti Gang Janchinai. Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. Ang tabuk nungin hartinai sini buskango MDC Uma Shankar sini buskango sini bukuk mehelino bini a shokapno yafana bagi Bukuk Mehli Bo sixth positional Singbai Baksake competition round grand finale sixth positional Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sengjoto ya perform ni please. Man kai seng chiwi chiri khol lai ni. Boni logi wo. Boni check. Boni check ya phar jangai. Boni check ko ya phar jangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position of table song. Are you ready? Paidongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paiga, Buku, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. Sengkota yang Holland, please. And Bono Yapan na bagay, Beni Sokano Yapan na bagay, ang nungin na hanay, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sengkota yang Holland, please. Bono ni bagay. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike task competition Yagulo, fourth position of Sopaka, tie. Semi-final Koroktam tie rakha. Koroktam equal marks पे फर्क है क्या? But finale वो खरोक नहीं fourth round of सोपेका. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mahan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kini Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Sengkota ya Holland ini Borok Bagay, please. Takut na bukod sa. Dabog ang non-nibus ka mo, announce ka na na ito mo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up, mane, third position of Ninja ko. Bonibong na ang dabog non-nibus ka mo, announce ka na. Let me call upon Miss Rupesh Debbarma on the stage. Second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. Right. Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balai ka hambay? Duglayo ito sa Hanoi Thang Pinay. Sini, first runners-up. Oh. Bugog Sushmita. Bugog Sushmita nini trophies. Buskango iya Parzakap. Sini EM ICA Department and Sports Nimisi Dikay Rupesh Debbarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event. And a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang limano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing jota ya pakol lenai jota ciri kol lenai. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya panabagang koinai sini GTA di sini ngai EM Fishery Rajesh Tipra. Dalai kahampai. Ulta ada. Kaisa trophy. Logio 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logio Kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees. 50,000 and no nibuskango antabuk sini final winner no announce China na ito piaba winner na sigang tubuglat puilang nominahanay sini GTA di sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi sir please. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy, guys, a guitar, logo, guys, a scooty die, 1 lakh rupees amount of check, and a scooty. Singjoto ya performance ni David Pagi. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Pagi. Tahu te borsong. Nang joto ready te ton. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewi Jain Hai. Hai ni chalo. Sing tu bi phai thanai. Tahu te borsong. Nang joto na hambai nang sumai baksa. Ini phalega. Tai sini contestants no belai ke support thaiga. Phaile sini finals dono sang narnai de borni photo session ko sang phaile nei. Yeah.